Now let us learn expression du temps, expression of time. So, do you remember the word for week? We learned the days of the week in the beginning. What did we say for days of the week? Les jours de la semaine. Right? The days of the week. So what is the word for week? Semaine. And if you want to say last week, that is the previous week, how do you say? La semaine dernière. La semaine dernière, that is last week, the week before. The week before. So, this is how we say last week. This is just to teach you an expression of time. So, that is how you say last week. Now, if you want to say last year, what is the word for year? Do you remember the months of the year? Les mois de l'année. The months of the year. Les mois de l'année. So, what do we say for year? L'année. And how do you say the previous year? L'année dernière. L'année dernière. The previous year. The year before. So I hope you are taking notes of this. This is just to teach you the expression of time. That is this month. Sorry, this is month. This is the word for month. Les mois. This is year. L'année. And for week you say la semaine. And for a day it is jour. So, these are 4 words that you need to know. Next, we are going to learn to say the time. So, how do you ask, what time is it? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Do you remember this? Quelle, it means what or which. And I hope you remember we had 4 types of quelle. It was quelle, quelle, quelle and quelle. All the 4 are pronounced quelle. And do you remember how we filled in these? Here it is quelle because heure is feminine singular. So we use quelle. This is just a reminder. So, quelle heure est-il? What hour is it? So, what time is it? Now, we answer the question beginning from here. Il est. It is. Il est. And in order to say the time, you must be thorough with numbers from 1 to 24. Why 24? Because we have 24 hours in a day. So, can you say numbers along with me from 1 to 24? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, dizet, dizwit, diznaf, van. 21, 22, 23, 24. So there are 24 hours in a day. We know numbers from 1 to 24 very well. So shall we try saying the time? For example, how would you say it is 1 o'clock? Il est une heure. We don't say un heure because heure is feminine singular. So this is une. Il est une heure. It is 1 o'clock. Il est une heure. It is 1 o'clock. So similarly, how do you say it is 2 o'clock? You say il est 12. 12. It is 2 hours, or il est, it is 2 o'clock. 12. Similarly, for 3 o'clock, we say 3 heures. Il est 3 heures. And for 4 o'clock, il est 4 heures. Il est 4 heures. For 5 o'clock, il est 5 heures. Il est 5 heures. It means it is 5 o'clock. Then for 6 o'clock, il est 6 heures. Il est 6 heures. For 7 o'clock, il est 7 heures. It is 7 o'clock. Il est 7 heures. For 8 o'clock, il est 8 heures. Similarly, for 9 o'clock, il est 9 heures. And for 10 o'clock, how do we say? We say il est 10 heures. Il est 10 heures. For 11 o'clock, it is il est 11 heures. Il est 11 heures. And for 12 o'clock, it is little bit different. If it is 12 p.m., that is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. If it is in the afternoon, we say il est midi. Il est midi. That is, it is noon. Il est midi. This is if it is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. If it is 12 noon, we say il est midi. So, how about 12 a.m.? 12 a.m. 12 in the morning, we say il est minuit. Il est minuit. It means it is midnight. Il est minuit. Il est minuit. It is midnight. So, moving on. We said, what did we say for 12 noon? We said il est midi. And unlike us, in France, they do not say it is 1 p.m. They say il est 13 heures. It means it is 1 p.m. 13 is 13. They say the time on the 24-hour dial basis. That is, il est 13 heures. It is 13 hours after 12. 13 is 13. We say it is 1 p.m. again. They say il est 13 heures. So, how do they say 2 p.m.? It is 2 o'clock. It is 14. 14. Il est 14. So 14 is 14. It means 2 p.m. Then for 3 o'clock in the afternoon, il est 15. Il est 15. 15 is 15. It means it is 3 p.m. Then for 16, il est 16. So 16 means 4 p.m. You need to get used to telling the time on a 24-hour dial basis. Next, for 17 and 18, that is 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. Il est 17. It means 5 p.m. For 18 next, that is 18. It means it is 6 p.m. Il est 18. 6 p.m. Next, for 7 p.m. you will say il est 19. That is, it is 19 hours. That is 7 p.m. 19. And next we say il est 22. It means it is 8 p.m. 20 is 20. So 20 hours after 12. So it is 8 p.m. Next, for 9 p.m. it is 21 hours. 21. It means it is 9 p.m. And for 10 p.m. we say il est 22. Il est 22. It is 22. That is 10 p.m. And for 11 p.m. we say il est 23. That is 23. So 11 p.m. And finally for 12 a.m. what did we say? It is midnight. Il est minuit. So this is how we say the time. You just have to be thorough with numbers from 1 to 24 and it is very easy to say the time.